Luxury Wellness, and look, when I opened her box, it was so festive, so festive. Look at that, so cute. Thanks for the festiveness and the candy. Let's take a peek at what's in here. It's really festive. All right, let's take a peek at what's in this box. I don't even remember what I ordered, so I'll be back. All right, I am back. And so what do we have here? I'm so excited because I've been a little broke, so I haven't been able to purchase as much as I want to. But I got 2 of these Rose Jam Star Bath Bombs. They were $6.50 a piece. And I love Rose Jam. I love Rose Jam. And that's the only reason I got it. Not that I love the shape or the things that are on top of it. I just love the scent of Rose Jam. So we have the 2 Rose Jams. I have a mini waffle, which is an oops. Don't know why, because her stuff that's oops is never oops. The Rose Jams were $6.50 a piece, and this oops was $4.50, as all her oops bath bombs are. I see no oops in it visually, so I don't know. Maybe she didn't like the way the colors came out. Who knows? Her stuff is never really oops, though. Then I got this I Love You Piggy Waffle Bomb. Look how cute. I'm going to put this in Kenzie's stocking because she's just recently started liking bath bombs. She was afraid of them before. Then I have one of these. Oops, almost dropped it. This is called the Sloth Mini Fairy Bread. And I love all her fairy breads, but it just was super cute. So I had to get it. And this one was $7.50. And then we have finally Silver Snow Mini. And this is her Luxe Life Shimmer Bath Fluff. I cannot wait. I just can imagine it's going to be super shimmery water. And here we are. Silver Snow Scented Cool Crisp Camphor, Eucalyptus, and Mint. Not sure that those are my favorite scents. But I can't wait for the show. And then we had a freebie. This is called Gold Mine, and it looks amazing. And the scent profile on this sounds awesome as well. This is fresh citrus, golden pears, and bubbly champagne. So those and these 2 are probably going to be my very favorite. This one is strawberries and cream, which is perfect for Kenzie. This is apples and peaches. And then I'm not sure about this oops bath bomb. Let's see. It just says oops, so it's a surprise. So I love everything that I got in my box as per the norm. Thank you so much. And this little lollipop is so cute. Green apple. I was thinking I would give it to either Layla or Kenzie. However, I do love me some green apple. All right, again, we had the Rose Jam, we have the Fairy Bread, we have the I Love You Piggy Waffle, we have the 2 sparkly bath, what does she call it? Bath Fluff, and then we have the Oopsie Bath Bomb. Thanks so much for your awesome shipment. I love you, Josie, you my girl. So, yeah, so that's it for Luxury Wellness.